In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use VR on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a VR headset that is compatible with a PC or laptop, you will be able to connect it to play games in virtual reality. For this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of setting up and using a MetaQuest headset, but you can follow along with other models of VR headset. The steps might differ slightly, but in general, they will be the same. You will need to download different applications and possibly follow different methods, but this is the general idea of connecting it to a PC. First of all, I recommend that you download the respective application. So for the MetaQuest headset, it is going to be the MetaQuest Link app. So look for the MetaQuest Link app on Google and download it from here, from the official website. Like I said before, if you have a different model or a different brand of VR headset, you will need to download their respective application instead. Now, there are usually two main ways of connecting the headset to a PC. You can use a cable, so USB-C, which is highly recommended because it eliminates latency, or if you prefer, you can do a wireless connection with Wi-Fi. This will introduce some latency if your internet speeds are not the best, so keep that in mind. To actually set it up, open the MetaQuest Link app and go to the Devices tab at the left. Then choose the option to add a headset. In here, select your specific model. Again, this is referring to the MetaQuest headsets, but you can follow along with your own headset if it is a different application. Then you choose between the methods that I mentioned, and once you select either of these methods, you will get full instructions. So for example, if you choose AirLink, you go to Settings, System, Enable Quest Link, and then you use the AirLink icon. For a cable, you will usually just plug it here at the side, and then the other end goes into your PC or laptop where you are running the app. With it connected, you can now choose the Quest Link option from the quick menu, and upon selecting Link, you will see the desktop view. So you will be in a room like this, usually referred to as the virtual desktop or desktop view. And then you are able to browse through your monitors, you are able to browse through your apps, you can run games on Steam with SteamVR, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.